Trial and error is a problem-solving approach that involves experimenting with various methods, strategies, or solutions until a successful outcome is achieved. This iterative process acknowledges that finding the best solution often requires learning from mistakes, refining approaches, and gradually converging toward a more effective result. It's a fundamental method used in various fields, from science and technology to everyday decision-making. The phrase itself reflects the core principle of trial and error. The process begins with an initial attempt or trial that is followed by observation and assessment of the outcomes. If the first attempt fails, errors or shortcomings are identified, and adjustments are made for the next round of experimentation. Each subsequent iteration refines the approach based on the insights gained from previous attempts, leading to gradual improvement and increased likelihood of success. Trial and error is closely linked to the concept of learning through experience. It acknowledges that failure and mistakes are an inherent part of any problem-solving journey and can provide valuable insights. By embracing this approach, individuals and teams adopt a growth mindset that emphasizes continuous improvement and adaptation. This method is particularly relevant in complex or uncertain situations where a clear solution is not immediately evident. By exploring multiple avenues, trial and error allows for creativity, innovation, and the discovery of unexpected solutions. It encourages individuals to think outside the box and consider unconventional approaches that might otherwise be overlooked. In the scientific method, trial and error is often a crucial phase in experimentation. Researchers systematically test hypotheses and theories through a series of trials, adjusting variables and refining methods based on observed results. This iterative process is integral to scientific progress in the advancement of knowledge. Outside the realm of science, trial and error applies to everyday decision-making. From cooking a new recipe to solving a complex business problem, individuals often rely on experimenting, analyzing outcomes, and making adjustments to achieve the desired result. While trial and error can be highly effective, it's important to strike a balance between persistence and recognizing when a different approach is needed. Sometimes, despite multiple attempts, a solution might remain elusive. In such cases, the insights gained from the process can still be valuable, even if they don't lead to the intended outcome. In conclusion, trial and error is an iterative problem-solving approach that involves experimenting with different methods and adjusting strategies based on observed outcomes. It embraces the notion that failure and mistakes are integral to the learning process and can lead to continuous improvement. This approach is used in various fields, from scientific research to everyday decision-making, and fosters creativity, innovation, and adaptability.